Welcome to the Honest Auto Reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2025 GMC Savana 3500, a workhorse van that's been a staple for commercial use for years. But what's new in this latest model? Let's find out. First off, the design remains classic. GMC hasn't gone radical here, and that's probably intentional. The boxy shape is still there, which might not be flashy, but it's practical. It offers plenty of space for cargo, upfits, or passenger conversion. The front grille gets a slight refresh, with updated badging and LED headlights that now come standard, which helps modernize the look just a bit. Under the hood, you've got two engine options. The standard is a 4.3-liter V6, producing 276 horsepower and 298 lb-ft of torque. But if you need more pulling power, the 6.6-liter V8 is where it's at, putting out a solid 401 horsepower and 464 lb-ft of torque. It's paired with a heavy-duty 6-speed automatic transmission that's been tuned for durability and towing. No turbo gimmicks here, just good old-school muscle. Inside, you'll notice GMC has slightly upgraded the interior materials, especially if you're opting for the passenger version. You get a touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, and optional 4G LTE Wi-Fi. Still basic, but enough to get the job done if you're running a fleet or doing long hauls. The cargo model still offers an insane amount of space, over 280 cubic feet, perfect for tradespeople, delivery services, or camper van conversions. The 2025 model also comes with additional cargo tie-downs and an improved rear access design, making loading and unloading more convenient. Safety-wise, GMC finally includes some of the basics as standard: rear vision camera, forward collision alert, and lane departure warning. You can also option in blind spot monitoring and parking assist, which is helpful for maneuvering such a big vehicle in tight city spaces. Driving the Savana 3500 still feels like you're piloting a big machine. Because you are. It's not the most refined ride, but it's solid, stable, and built to take a beating. Road noise is a bit present, especially when empty, but nothing unexpected for this type of vehicle. The 2025 model doesn't reinvent the wheel. It sticks to what works. It's reliable, strong, and customizable. If you're looking for a flashy, tech-packed van, this isn't it. But if you want a proven platform with updated power and just enough tech to stay current, the Savana 3500 is still a solid pick. Let me know in the comments. Would you choose this over the Ford Transit or Ram ProMaster? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you want more reviews like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video!